So you want to protect your Roblox account by enabling two-factor authenticator? Then I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on your Roblox account. All you have to do is sign in, click the settings gear in the upper right hand side, then click on settings. Now on the left hand side, you want to click on security guys, and here you'll have two-factor verification. Here you can choose between a few options here. You have the authenticator app, which you can use, and you have a few options that you can use. You can use one such as the Google authenticator or the Microsoft authenticator, or you can use Twilio as well, right? Or you can even set it that you can generate a code for you by using your phone. So you just need to go ahead and choose one of the options. You also have the email option that you can receive code to your email, or you can simply use hardware, which is a hardware security keys, right? This is another option as well. But guys, this is how you can easily turn on two-factor verification. So let's say I want to use emails, I can toggle it on by simple click on that, and here you'll need to enter the 6-digit code that comes to your email. Let me go ahead and open up my email here and simply go ahead and find that verification code that was sent to me. And once I receive that code, let me go here and find that code. Here is it. And I'm going to copy this code right here. So go back to Roblox, this section here in Roblox, enter that code and click on verify. And as you can see right now, I have the two-factor verification set up with email being enabled as a two-factor verification option here. And that's it.